वेलकम टू अरोराज होम किचन। आज जो रेसिपी हम आपके लिए लाए हैं ये बच्चों की तो फेवरेट है ही और बड़े भी इसे बहुत इन्जॉय करते हैं। हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एग एंड पनीर रोल्स। आइए देखते हैं इसे बनाने की विधि। सबसे पहले हमने ले लिए हैं कुछ बॉइल्ड एग्स और उनको कट कर लिया है इस तरह के लंबे पीसेज में। अब हम इसे थोड़ा सा मैरिनेट कर लेंगे। मैरिनेट करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा दही। इस दही का पानी निकला हुआ है, हंग कर्ड है ये। थोड़ी हल्दी, लाल मिर्च, थोड़ा नमक, धनिया पाउडर, किचन किंग, थोड़ा हॉट ऑयल, करीब 3-4 चम्मच, और इन दी एंड थोड़ा सा गरम मसाला। Now we are going to give this a good mix. Since the oil is hot, prefer using a spoon or a ladle and mix gently so that the eggs do not break. And after we have given it a good mix, we can keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Similarly, we have also marinated some cottage cheese or paneer and kept it aside. We can use both these things to make our rolls. Our paneer has been resting for a while now, for around 15 minutes. अब हम इसे एक पैन में सौते कर लेंगे। We will heat a pan and add some butter to it first and a little bit of oil. Our paneer is ready. You can see all the masalas are finely cooked. We have kept it aside and we will be using this in a similar way. Now we have roasted our eggs too. Eggs have developed nice crust at a few places and the masala is all cooked. We are now ready with our egg and our paneer roll. Let's start making the rolls now. To start with our rolls, we have heated a pan and we will now cook a half cooked लच्छा पराठा. We have already kept it ready. लच्छा पराठा बनाने की विधि जानने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल के दूसरे वीडियो पे देख सकते हैं। लहसुनी पराठा बनाया था हमने, उसका लिंक आपको ऊपर भी मिल जाएगा और इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी। ये जो हमने पराठा डाला है ये अपने पनीर रोल के लिए डाला है, तो इस पे हम एग ऐड नहीं करेंगे। You don't have to worry too much about the shape of the paratha, as anyways it is going to be rolled. The paratha is almost ready for the roll. We are now going to keep this aside and prepare our paratha for the egg roll. For this, we again add some oil to our pan and 2 beaten eggs with a little bit of salt. Spread it evenly. and then place a half cooked lachha paratha on this. Look at this, how beautiful it has come out to be. We will let the paratha cook from the other side and then we shall be ready to roll. I think our paratha should be ready now. Let's check it. Yes, almost ready. We will now transfer it straight to our counter. From the pan. To start with, a little bit of mayo, some Szechuan sauce or Szechuan chutney, some homemade dhania pudina chutney. Give it a good mix on the surface of the egg paratha. This already looks rocking and we are just waiting for it to roll. Now we add some juliennes of onion and capsicum. These have been coated with some salt and oregano seasoning. And now we add our sauteed eggs, which we took all the pain of marinating, cooking, and ultimately they find their final spot on the roll. Add some chili flakes and oregano seasoning on the top, and now we roll it with light hands to avoid breaking. And finally, this goes into an aluminium foil from one side. Look at this roll. Wonderful. Before eating it, we will plate it, and now we will also prepare our paneer roll in a similar fashion. You can add as much as paneer you would like to, whatever satisfies your taste buds and fulfills your mouth. Roll it and then again wrap it in an aluminium foil. Like this. The paneer roll is also now ready to eat. हमारे एग और पनीर रोल्स रेडी टू ईट हैं। आप भी इन्हें घर में ट्राई कीजिए। बेहद सिंपल रेसिपी है। एक दो स्टेप्स इसमें करने पड़ते हैं, बट यू विल एंजॉय इट एज मच एज यू वर्क। आप इन्हें खाइए और कमेंट करके हमें बताइए आपको कैसे लगे। हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए so that the latest recipes come to you quicker. See you again. Thank you.